Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You are. You're my everything. Oh, you're my thing, you know. 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 Yeah. So, oh, yeah. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Yeah. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Say, I call you Jireh, say. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William Miguel, come here. 1, 2, 3. I can breathe without you, say. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, Lord. I can move without you. Hey, who am I without you? Who am I without you? Say, I can live without you, yeah. I can live without you. I can breathe without you, Lord. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, yeah. I can move without you. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I thinking now? Okay, Abusia, I am energy, I am a hosepe, say, and name Minda. I tosso, I should say the second one in the month of June 2022. And a year, energy da, a hosepeda, am I, because we've had a chance to meet again. Last week, na the Queen's Jubilee, and unti yentimi and share, but a day shady and nature say, and Komobia Hobia yadi ebro. It's the community and the law. The community and the law, a jumedia, a day emremun komo ebro, a fatitu, Ghana for any before year free UK had near Tega, near Setinemo, Senium Ranisiko, you see, Ehuno. We're dealing with issues pertaining to immigration and all the other legal issues here in the UK. And it's brought to you by kind courtesy of BWF Solicitors, our trusted partners when it comes to the law here in the UK. And today we're looking at a very interesting topic. Now you look on the screen, it says, do you owe the NHS, National Health Service here in the UK? Find out how, if you owe them, your unpaid debt may affect your UK visa application. That is up for discussion. Plus many other things. Which me a friend now the questions, no concerns, no at the Abba young guest and the resource person, Lawyer Patrick, will be on hand to answer all of them. Hello once again, and welcome to another edition of The Community and the Law, the program that brings you everything legal here in the UK. Titu, say, ye Cameroon, some was sitting senior obey now was staying on the positive side of the law, and I feel, and some who do no be brain, ya de bro. Your friend Riku Usu from Pona, Sadanko, and Mouse, Oni at Jimmy. So we are live on BWTV, on Facebook, YouTube, and bwcommunications.co.uk website. I don't know. Sounds so any live. Our BW radio so here in the UK and across the world. And our things so here live or PAM TV so about radio so here in the UK. Now ubet nyayen live and so our yang main pages no BWF Solicitors Facebook, BWF Solicitors YouTube, and a BWF Solicitors LinkedIn, any other social media platforms. And then come on, I the ebro wono idea any kapa na the yebisa and say what better UK ha? You go up and down and do your business, whether as a citizen, whether as a resident, whether as a visitor, or probably you just popping in and going out. A bit in about say obeyari, so you need to see a doctor. The NHS is the scheme that takes care of the health of the people here in the UK. Residents, citizens, and nationals are entitled to attend any health facility apparently for free. If that's correct, yes. What about those who are not residents? What about those who are coming in and out and passing through? Or was sitting around so NT NHS no ubetimi akubiana. Okay, and on that tree. There are certain applications where you put them in, you need to pay the NHS surcharge. And that's what when you're entitled to free healthcare, and until you try invoice be a bill that's all you have to pay. You haven't paid and you're putting in an application. What happens? If you owe the system, would that affect your immigration application in any way, shape, or form? That's a big question, and I would want us to have an answer to that. Inti country will be non country will be na uba na wapeke link and no share. You like the page, you leave your comments on the section, and of course let us share. Yinya so many likes as possible. Do me that favor. Click, 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 click. Na ubia inya sa link ni bi na yinya yindi enkomo. Ebe no so a obetimi ade wo concern and wo question no ade aba. Yeah, baby and telephone lines na watimi ade aye adwuma. Number ade adwuma no call number is 07399208468. 07399208468. And also we send a text or WhatsApp or even a voice note to 07950 422 780 07950 422 Every more mafi me and me special guest Nadina me faster Emma young aboa for our main sponsors, our content generators, our resource persons, everything. BWF Solicitors. Omo 214-218 Tottenham High Road, no, so 7 Sisters in North London. We're Monday to Friday from 9:30 in the morning up to 6 o'clock in the evening. Na no actually no so edru weekend. You can go to them with your concerns and issues, and that is by appointment only. Call them 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. And me try ye, my own brother, my friend, my colleague, he's my learned friend as well. The questions and the concerns you would bring, and of course to answer that question, that if it is that I owe the NHS, how is it going to affect my UK visa application? Lawyer Patrick is my guest. Obeni.
Yes, sir.
Apume.
Apume, Nyamiadum.
The Nyamias.
selection akai.
That's right. The very divine one.
Divine
selection akai. Not just say a year pa. Juma musoboko.
Nyame adom kakra.
The trade ampo wase.
Yes, bibia koka yes.
Ma doji mo kakra anti. Mo fanche meba.
There was you know.
So mo green files na do so sa ya na me yem hihim ntineja. But baby atra.
Oh, but Enyusa. We're in control. You know, so fast new control, and there's a problem. But so who control fast? Which is be a kokama. You know, we are in absolute total control.
You know, trading performance. I was here for a penny and Oni Babedi and Komo. He'll be handling your questions and your concerns, and of course dealing with the main topic. BWF Solicitors, as I said, is at 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, Seven Sisters, North London. If you're driving, the postcode is N15 4NQ. And if you're going by public transport, get onto the Victoria line, drop off at Seven Sisters. Use exit number 2. The building right in front of you is the Anna House. They are on the top floor, that is the 4th floor. 0208 493 7340 is their telephone number. Book an appointment and go and see them. Now, this is their message. We'll be right back.
Yeah, fair man, you're London. Yeah, Jiabasu body be brave. Near Redare Ewom Ransimu, a legal services, BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. What BWFDA, yen solicitors, Eddie Nigie, any chichaji war, na ye bonso nyadin kra. Yen partner penny pa, Bernardo Wusu, a lawyer, ewo UK memo, Bebru in Fiedu Nunkron, 29 years. BWF Solicitors ukurawo. Inti se bane bushan sembi ti se child care. Eya bo freshemu. Awa ojaya ho twuma mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a. Ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Ye child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ne ya wo bremu. Enu nti ne yeto ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel Ajina Tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra wo pe advice ewo immigration sensem ho wo BWF Solicitors de ye immigration team no avedare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration work permit student visa ho totoye any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasa jinatum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free dwada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya Gina Tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member and na wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office, ni solicitors bebree efa Ghanaian law hu yi. Na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law.
Yo, say, you 29 years, near what 30 mudia. Now I was your koy nim na yasada and my BWF Solicitors for helping us all through and through. Thank you very much, BWF Solicitors. Thank you very much, our patrons. Thank you very much, everybody that is with us right now. What I want you to do, and I say, go onto the page, like the page, share. click on the subscription button. Notification be a baby when I can intentem na amam phone so at here. And yenko intentem na fi yenko he and comma a BWF Solicitors a day at the beginning of the week yen nuggets our day ebrayeno. And it's something they are really urging us to look at or say proving English language for skilled migrants. You must prove you can read, write, speak, and understand English to at least be one level on the Common European Framework Reference for Languages, that is CEFR scale. You can prove your knowledge of English by passing a secure English language test, that is the CELT, from an approved provider. Or two, having a GCSE A-level Scottish National Qualification Level 4 or 5, Scottish Higher or Advanced Higher in English gained through study at a UK school that you began when you were under 18. Then the other one is having a degree level academic qualification that was taught in English. If you studied abroad, you need to apply through ECTIS. Okay, ECTIS, formerly known as NARIC, yes, for confirmation that your qualification is equivalent to a UK bachelor's degree, a master's degree, or a PhD. Third one, very interesting because more or less it applies to most of us that are not British nationals and have moved from outside of the UK to settle in here, and we're putting in an application as a skilled migrant. And it says, having a degree level academic qualification that was taught in English. If you studied abroad, you would need to apply through ethics for confirmation that your qualification is equivalent to a UK bachelor's degree, a master's degree, or a PhD. Yakana sa no na mingfa emre. Na maybe sa lawyer say conditions na woman no what me pass CELT, that is secure English language test from an approved provider. You must have had a GCSE A level here in the UK, Scottish National Certification or Qualification Level 4 or 5, Scottish Higher or Advanced Higher in English gained through study at a school here in the UK that you began when you were under 18. That's also very important to note. There's a caveat there. And a third one, if you have a degree level academic qualification that was taught in English, for instance, if you studied abroad and you need to apply for that, you do that through ECTIS, that is UK NARIC formally, for confirmation that your certification is equivalent to a UK bachelor's degree, a master's degree, or a PhD. There must be reasons why those caveats and criteria are there. Inti mami misa lawyer say, lawyer Mr. Wu wadarima yen say didn't no makofa sa ade kakraka idi abato.
Okay, so Oreku enye bibia ntina o makofa ade kakraka we abato.
Okay.
But yen nyina yen say uko Roma uye de Roma for eye. It is so na say utu batana wakotena obi kroma at least e won niema bia esese utimi kire.
Okay.
For instance, esese utimi ekirese otewo mo kasa anaso betimi aka ekroma wakasa. Enye UK nko a yen hye no so.
Okay.
So bi wo ho a na eye na adwene mu se ada na UK de oba omomamu a ye kase kosua brofo nate brofo ansa na watimi aba. Dabi enye UK nko na tisa.
Okay.
Se ye de bafia ya yo kromu Ghana. Se opese obeyi obi a ya nwo Ghana ni nemum ebia wabetena Ghana. What follow through with all of the processes of obtaining residency. Now fe opese obeye citizen a. Ade ba ko a esese wo kire apart from say we qualified ne say ese utimi kire say otikasa no bi.
Okay.
Inti enye UK nko na yes sir. So coming back to your discussion no. It is a wo ba UK a UK 4% omu hu say oba ubetimi integrity into the system. Babra won't face problems.
Okay.
Inti by integration no the ube here number one, so better kasa. Because I won't take kasa now. How do you communicate? Imposa okwa bontia. The bus now pursue chakra. How do you communicate that to the bus driver? Say be a hospital.
Why you run now?
Exactly. Yes. Into say say hospital crown or wakona uyefu ya. How do you express that pain to the doctor? Say the beya obetias here. The doctor need to krumu kasa. Obeda to was here. Because enye babia na obekwa sebi. You make the provisions for interpreter. Otiwa obeti wenu masem ansan our country the service provider.
Right.
Until you would not expect that. So that is the expectation. And apart from that, it's a usua ekrono ehun sema daachi bi no baby ni a osusu betimi abo de ni afra ni akasa mpa osimasi obenta obetena ekromu a oti ekromu kasa esa ni ekromu amane ni amane yechiwade eni ne yempese ye de beye iti sebe untimi nsore prekope enko Buckingham Palace enko rao enko kasa ye ne queen nyina nete a itimi susu meti ha die mabahabi. No, you don't do that. Insise wo ho a ubetimi afaso a se wo pese wo kosra queen a obebie ni door e dia ma na so abesra ni nyina ya ade a esiso usua na the English language one of those things esiso utimi demonstrate say krona wo baso no utiemu kasa at least ubetimi a communicate. And then there's a level almost set level no enye so high because enye bibi
level so high. What we have up here, you must prove you can read, write, speak, and understand English to at least B1. European framework almost set, yes. But then what Chemumiansa say also to me pass a secure English language test. Selt, you can't crack. What does it entail? It might put somebody even off.
Well, so for instance, if Obia or Ghana or school, if up to Form 4 level, bringing it to the lowest, Abia kind of Form 4 level, Obia is Sign 5 and Sign
7.
This Anyaman.
And then credit junior high school,
senior high school. We first uncle for apart from Obia Sebe. Ebia on classroom crowd impoda. But there are certain people crowd on classroom da, but still they are able to communicate in English obetimi atenase. At the go at the camp obetimi expressing
right.
So yes, say uwo sa nimdie no wo we ye bibia obetimi apase. Uwo obi a wako secondary school. Now, for the purposes of immigration, say by UK omachem inchichemu for countries omoye amaya omoye English speaking countries.
Okay.
Any amaya omo categorize them say omonye English speaking countries. Inti say oye obi a ufree country enye an English speaking majority English speaking country won't necessarily yes our test way. Inti yen Ghana, even though we were colonized by the English themselves. Unfortunately, yenye omaya ye cutting us omaya ye majority English speaking country. It's no bad. It's a so ultimate say uwo nimdie ewo brofo kase.
Okay.
Obi free Canada na oba ehia so betresa. Obi free America na oba na oya American ni oya Canadian ehia so betresa. So for instance, uye Ghana ni wako America wabeye American citizen so ufri America now be joining or spouse or her, then you don't need to demonstrate that.
Okay.
Because you will be a ufri a majority English speaking country. Nti sana identity say ukoye G you be a what's na krum happen. To send your cano option no 2 no why GCSE pen. Now what passing why sir advanced your friends saying education bibia wa na wo bibia odibedi adanse say and passes why is argument. Then yes, you don't need to go and do the CELT no. Obia why to say option 3 no HHM no PhD any degree from a year kura any majority English speaking country no. So if we say kru so eba o degree na o de eba no. Ese say utimi e demonstrate say sa degree no it was taught in English. Na emiti sa requirement no. Even though ubetimi aka say PhD ne bachelor's ne ada ne higher than even B1 no. Esesa wo na wotumi kire say ade na ya kire wo in the degree qualification no emiti sa standard no. So wotumi kire sa there. Then what is expected ne say obey comparability test. First of all, before you be free EU no. Now we were using NARIC. Sisiano assistant ababe actist. Until what they would degree certificate no core, they will check it and then confirm that I'm pass degree ne kutao. It was taught in English and it meets a year CEF a year your friends and standard no. Say meet here no. Then you don't need to go and do another test. Obi also now open a peace of mind instead of going through this hassle no. Opeso here level B1 no. Na ode eka ho na ode.
Enti me mfa na se me wo Ghana na me kuta any diploma taught the not necessarily higher institutions but me free this time's graduate polytechnics near the but I have a diploma that was taught in English, but this one is saying say I was say a year bachelor's degree, master's degree, and now say PhD. But this is a diploma which is a little lower than the first degree, you know. And also, I not mean qualifier now.
No, because a standard or more and so you have to meet our standard, no. You know, a diploma no would not qualify you as such, but obia why diploma you can appreciate say ninim dia no also. Into level B1 speaking, reading, writing, and listening. No, the barest minimum. You can say obia or you a diploma in any institution in Ghana. No, we can say uncle yes our test. No. So it's a walk in the park for Bia or what's our standard. However, Sana or mine you just have to follow. Yeah.
I was going to say, if it is that you have to write the English language, if you have to write and prepare yourself for such, talk to the right set of people and get the support you need. And Mr. say, I think we've got one of the providers around that will help you do that. KT Education Consultancy will help you. They prepare you for English language test, the IELT, the CELT, OET. You can pass your A1, A2, B1, B2. Our number is 07596 620154 and now 07512 644041. Send it an email, kt.edconsult@gmail.com. So prepare with the experts and pass with ease. Senior lawyer Kayan is a walk in the park for Nipano Bibre and Enyadia. I will say well, with that out of the way, let me maybe first of all acknowledge the presence of me informal and Tujana and Onefe. The greetings to all. Thank you very much for staying with us. Sansuso and your Ernest William Ativo. Okay. Ernest William Ativo and so thank you for joining us. Wimpini Adams, you are here. Thank you, Wimpini Adams. Thank you for joining us. We have well, it's here. Where is it? Let me quickly check and bring everybody on. Our colleagues at BWTV say welcome, listen live on BW Radio and of course on the website bwcommunications.co.uk. Leave your comments there and we will acknowledge that and also say thank you. Adam Tuga Yakubu, good evening. Sansoso and Wimpini has come up with another thing, the most reliable firm you can trust. Contact them for all your legal works. Thank you, Wimpini, for your recommendation. Sansoso and who else is here? Rebecca Mwako, good afternoon, dear. How are you doing? We're doing so very well, Rebecca. Thank you for asking. Sansoso and Tili Duma Obapa to say, Yami Inshaw. Sansoso Tili is asking Nanakia Beyi Briyi Ajimai. How you doing, Nakia? Also, Yadase, Momodia say, Obashare page. And NK, you are here. NK, thank you very much for your contribution and your support. Sansoso and your Tilly Duma, thanks for sharing a benosay and Edana se ewo. Yes, and so ewo set nana bodu a very interesting conversation because Eben, when are we going to UK? When are you coming so that we can meet you at the port?
Absolutely, yes.
That would be very nice. Okay. Eben, thank you very much. Sanso, you won and now Berima or Brimpon and you are doing my job for me so very well. Thank you very much. Please share, and let everybody have a part to play in it. You won Nanahima Sapong. Hello, Abusia 4. Hello, Nanahima. Thank you for joining. Esther J, good afternoon, my lawyer. Good afternoon, lawyer. Esther.
Oh, right, yes. Yes.
Esther, yes, yes. Lydia Mensa, hi. Thank you for coming, Lydia. Sansoni Awo, Fidel Preku, thank you very much for joining us. Fred Amwa, hello, lovely people. Hello, Freddie. How are you? Doris Kessie, and Doris, thank you very much. Next up, we have Emmanuel Quay. Yes, Emmanuel, I know you're there. The high five, we respond to that. Bless you. So, and your promise. Please, what's the difference between B1 and B2? Are they the same exam? I think probably we'll have
B1, B2 obviously is higher than the B1, and so it will be B2, which means the higher version.
Okay. I say we'll be a class 1, class 2.
Exactly.
Okay. So that's right. One is just a little higher than the rest. But if you have B2, obviously, you can use that for the applications that apply. Okay. All right.
So the standard no B1, but if you can achieve a higher grade, then yes, indeed.
Okay. Right. The next one here says, okay, promise. I think I've picked that one up. So then we will come to our topic. Lawyer, yenkaso will be nyari. But Sebana say, for some reason, your health has failed you and you need to see a doctor. In the UK system, it's very beautiful. Say, waiting university, because if you're part of the welfare system, you can visit your hospital and the other thing. But Obia betting register with a GP.
The answer
to join the NHS.
Okay. So
and then they quite fast about it.
Okay. So the answer to that particular question is emphatically yes.
Okay.
So irrespective, say Oaha as a visitor or Oaha with leave to remain, ubetimi register with GP.
Okay.
Because amansan kabomku yenina ye won hyehyɛ sebe so be free no krom na oba wo krom a. Yes, and say ne ho be kire no yare a because e bia onye kroma ma ne ntino obeka se menhwe ne yare.
Okay.
Nti ye nyina ye gitum se ye humane say ye betimi abo ye nuanom ho ban. Nti so obi ba wo krom na oyare a. Then yes, ayare se wo ho a ye betimi ahwe no. Na ayare hwe no e wo mu categories.
Okay.
Nti e ho no e na issue no wo no. Nti eho ena ye separate the boys from the men. Nti no se me kan sa na de me kan kosi ni se eho ena ye kire se obi wa ha ono no oye ordinarily resident here and also say onye ordinarily resident here. Na ye de sa empapa bu na ba.
Okay.
Nti yes, so obi tu kwan na oba bedu kroma na owo ha as a visitor. Yes, obetimi akọ register GP. Nyasa obewo asetna ewo krom ha and san wako register GP. A lot of people have harbored this fear, any misconception sir. It's a so wo krom ha with your friends saying leave be aye legitimate and sana what me register GP. That is wrong. That is wrong. Intino o ko register with GP a the ohiane say wo ni pay what is encatchment area anymore.
Okay.
So who can register? They need your ID. It will be a be identify. Say simesi obente. And then number 2, they need BBA a be prove say ose ote flat 29B Amsterdam House. The HS a ho ena wotie ni. It is say, would this are dance na? Then they can say indeed, or encatchment area. It is a share almost say or register. The only time a be possible so to be register. Ebia na almost list of patients no aye full. It's na ebia na ye de wo ka ho a but no kra no ubetimi akọ baby fufuro na wakọ ye registration because omo de no aye full. So that is to clear that. It's ye nyina ye nim say uba krom.
From where we come.
Yes.
Ye nim say okọ hospital a also okọ card.
Yeah.
Probably until recently in Ghana, when the National Health Insurance Scheme came into effect, you might have to pay for the card. Question I may be say, if I'm registering with a GP, a general practitioner, a doctor, a clinic, wherever, do I have to pay for that service?
No. It is all register with GP. The things you would require and you don't need to pay. So all register we are before now almost send a card. And then they generate national insurance number also. I mean, NHS number also. National Health Service phone number also. So that is assigned to you particularly. Into mouse card. Now it's digitized. Into CC and all register. They send a confirmation, all right. But details need to be beyond the particular GP practice now you are registered with. No, it's on the system.
Okay.
It is a hospital now, baby, is centralized into the who say
Ubo number
exactly. Ubo dinu data, but you know who you are.
The doctor need.
Exactly. Into you are assigned to a doctor as well. Into what doctor or no the Eunice was a doctor. It doesn't necessarily mean say anytime we are called GP practice, no, that particular doctor now you are assigned on the show there be. But who be ono na ye in charge a obehye nase ntino o kwa onje card ansa na wako there be o card no ya register that is on the system so frɛ o GP now say ebia otiye wo ya wachiye wo ya o pese obe check adekodie ntia eba saa all they need is your name and your date of birth. Sometimes they will confirm your address just to make sure say it comes up correctly on the system. And that's all they need to book you in. Now you book you in, say, oh, number 5, and I say number 6. What time was any about? Screen those so what's the honum? TV or Dina or Maba a honina to seek for whatever medical assistance. No, Omunina didn't scroll until what time you do your name comes up, and then it tells you which room to go to, and then you go to that room. After you check where you know, say BBA ni na tipaye keke anyhow. Na doctor say okay, koto paracetamol. We any prescription na one koto no £9 instead of koto paracetamol ebia 50p. So ko na koto paracetamol. That's all you do. You don't pay for that.
Okay.
You don't pay for that. And with that, you don't have to have leave to remain and to get SARS service.
Okay.
So your categories of medical assistance are big. So you have the primary one and then the secondary one.
Okay.
The primary ones are normally free. So to send
and it doesn't open to everybody.
Absolutely. To say the yedi hum come utie wo ya ebia enene nansia na wababe do UK ebia GP kra on register bi but utie wo ya severely. Until we bush you on the area. I'm saying, oh, GP practice well. Yes, you're not registered, but they will check you all right and make sure say BBA you okay. Again, ABA BBA ba wako A&E accident bi na wako ho na immediately as I see a patch you up na bibi na ye jaw kwan na kwa. Again, you can do that without you incurring any cost. However, your secondary care being so and no, you will incur a cost.
Okay.
It is a uyobia unye ordinarily resident in the UK. Now okojisa care na ubetimi incur cost for that. Now, obi baby say this terminologies are ye throw about in no enu kra no e okay. See, a castle will be ordinarily resident in the UK.
Okay.
Statutorily, no, it is not defined. But your legislation extra omo wa ha ebitumi aka se omo nyina omo wa ha as ordinarily resident people.
Ebitumi aka se hwehwe no within 5 months 6 months bia ye ko ha ye be hu no.
Well, not that per se, but in your terms, you know, any ye emrano sene ya no. So be a ordinarily resident here. Na saa nipa krono de ye pese ye kan se nipa no e settled e wo krom ha.
Okay.
It is ye nim so se o ye settled wo krom ha. Either say we obi a wo permanent resident, we obi a ene settled status ya be wo bi. Uyobia or indefinite leave to remain.
Okay.
Uyobia ukuta British passport.
Okay.
Safo ni nyina yenkofo a omo ye settled e wo krom ha. Yebetimi aka se omo ye ordinarily resident here.
Okay.
Inti apart from sankofo e wa onka sa group no bia no onye ordinary resident.
Okay.
And there's a caveat.
I was wonya wo asetena bi per se.
Affable. To come under that
category.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So I said caveat to explain the air cassette obiya settled no said be ya nkofo any be down because yen hye no so say ansana ye be free EU no na emra no ahodo mienu ene boy ho bra.
Okay.
Nti na ye wo EU de and ye wo UK yankasa domestic laws no. Now ye free Europe mu ama yi sisia no yankasa ye de ye ho, but emra na boy ho bra wo EU no mu no ye ntungu ye ni nyina no ya hihye ni nyina de aba be hye withdrawal agreement no mu.
Okay.
Nti no ye fa ne se obi wa ha na owo limited leave to remain as ubia or a family member of an EU national. You can appreciate sa nipa krono oni a indefinite leave to remain. Entino ubetimi aka se sa nipa krono onye settled. But this is the caveat. The emrano can say ya yen sachaye since 2014. Ama ubia we free Europe na wa baha no. Se nipa no e baha Prekupenu ebunu se nipa no ordinarily resident here. Nti since you free EU muso no ya hihye ne se unipa no na wo ha before the deadline date na December 2020 no na wo ha dada ene wo kan ho nti se ye ma wo limited leave to remain kra na also no ye class say uyobia we ordinarily resident here.
Okay.
Sa so na wabusuafo a omo free amanone eba be kan ho no. Say ye ma omo 5 years limited leave to remain na even though enye settled na enye indefinite no omo so no ye class omo nyina as ordinarily resident here in the UK. Nti omo nyina no ombetimi age health care primary and secondary wabra omo incur cost.
Okay.
Now, omo ba echi mekire EU for na omo ba echi a ye free EU num no. Mo nyina no mo ne sebe ya ye free Ghana, ya ye free Nigeria, ya ye free Ivory Coast. Any san krokro na aka na yenka EU ho no. Ye nyina ye ba, ye nyina ye level no eyepe. The free third country nationals.
Okay.
Nti ye nyina no ye level no eyepe. Nti ye nyina ye ba esese ye hu se se ayaresa na ye kwa akogye a saa ayaresa no se ebro a certain level so a ubetimi atuaka. Ubetimi atuaka. Se nye saa de a na se ebi atipaye bi ahotutuo bi na wakogye waduro bi na bibi ni a then that's fine. Se prescription ye de ma wa eno so enye free ubetuyaka. In fact, ya yeti kroma kwa no bebre na enye bibi so bi na da wo so no se enye benefit bi na woje anase bibi a se o yes citizen se o nye citizen you pay into no betuyaka. But se wako hospital e bi a awaba uyobi a you are not ordinarily resident here. Bear in mind say baby a okọ sa award so no ebetimi aseseka na ye de amount. na yebeba ho no ebi a sebe accident aba inti wakwa akopie A&E okoye no yahwe omoja no yesia no kwan ye the plaster tire so yeja kwan kofie that's it finish uyo bi a sebe wote ha uni nkrata wo eye bi a Mr. Visa na de buy no kwa ewu amana pound saa nipa kro no ukoje saa ayarehwe na that's it uko ofie eye emergency na aba na yahwe that's the end of the story. However, say answa na obeye obi a yefre wo impatient na obeda ho a then it means say why are hwe no
abro sa level
they was okukutua dey it's say we careful say ye betimi a charge o again ya hwe wo sa yare na wie wakofie na wasan ba na ya beje wato ho for that reason now again why are hwe no it is not primary anymore. It's gone beyond primary, and then now no you could incur cost. Ama and also betimi aba abeda ho. Now, so we incur cost new year. Normally no NHS for no yahihye mra ma omo say obia oye overseas ni obia ofree abroad obia oye third country national onye ordinary resident here no say oba ha na obaji ayaresa eye secondary ese se ye charge ese se utimi tuaka 150%. It is so
ye obi 50 wo ne ye beje 100 account
ye ju se fee na ese se utua ni na any VAT bi account ese se utua nti for instance obi na wafo abey say dan say no obi a yin say wa Africa o person obey wo Europe and America and Canada yes wo sika na obey sa obi ensi
kwa na so obi tia
exactly it is say wa bana say o say o person obey wo King's College na une na wafo ni nyina ye pa then it is say wo she utim say o ba no enye free eye enhihye a ekrom ha ban ayede ato ho. Number 1, to recoup some of the costs now incur for providing the services now they provide for
okay.
Again, one who say bebre na your health tourists for say bibi ne hana onim se be ne kromfo ntimi provide sa care ne mana so no aba na bia emugu wa ha no abaje ye free care no na ebinim na etuaka into the system. So they are not contributing to your system no, but they are enjoying the benefits now, the contributions now you are making a providing it.
That's right.
And so to right that wrong no ya sise sanchise we na e dey at all ena ye de abata obi a oba krom ha opese obetena ha afebo ye de abata ho e de ama se wutu bata na wafiri krom abetena ha for a certain length of time there. If it's beyond 6 months then it's a
also your contribution
towards the healthcare system.
So we are BBC now
enjoy you can enjoy it free. Yes, it's omo visitor visa ediabano. You don't necessarily pay the IHS fees. Omo fiancé visa and all of those visas now yedema below 6 months and I say aircon. You be a yemawuntua IHS fees. Above 6 months edeko you be a uji 2.5 years waba settle with your partner, with your child, with your husband and all of those things. Munina no yemamutua IHS fee no
right.
And sana wefu haba. Oti hadada na why your application opeso renewal again you charge you for IHS no. And we know say a debate of one say unfair say omo system no dada no
because you turn the car you turn the national insurance
exactly exactly now you know it's a bit unfair but you who say say home office for ne ya ma me pretty or train na home fair ama free no hopefully you be do baby we'll get there when ya ma me be who say ampa yes omo hadada ya ma mo first 2.5 years now omo ko renew no at least they've made some contributions to the system and untino as say omo benefit sa contribution no na yenji omo IHS fees no ebium we hope one day we'll get to that point. But sincerely,
probably a moment for you to have a sip of water. People come in, temporarily over 6 months, also contributing into IHS surcharge, eba. Say, the tono so say on tria, then intimate deka because I didn't know what renew sikanye. So how come people get to owe?
Okay, so how people get to owe themselves? For instance, obi oha obaha as a visitor, and obeying cares our cost.
Right.
Until in cares our cost on the ABA na the fee note no command, the bill no command, and I went to obaha as a visitor and obu and niguso, and I call back to Ghana. And as I say, Sani Pakrono, when your opportunity say oba beka a year in who can you UK. Now, oba beka who can you your requirements are so meaty, the eligibility requirements and then the suitability requirements. It's no suitability requirements. Yeah, say, who sign pay, sign and a wusu and no buying a city. And ye you can qua a crona who frisono, any crobia or cosubia. Yeah, say, sign and now what carry who baby our cobia. It is our criminal records. We will check it. Free Ghana, we will check. So what to acquire within the last 10 years now by UK. We want to know what you've actually been up to in those
years.
While visiting. Into your near so what by UK that as a visitor, oba yeno, oba incur cost to be a when Tiaka na wakwana and a obana. Ninano as a CSA me making sure say yes, Usani pay, who be a who do huni. So
you're not saying
exactly. So who do huni dia, Nasania, what can SSU pay no? Nay, no, na, it's a whole cost a amount of visa, nafabra. Sa a year NHS cost now when Triano. You bet me edge so edia refuse application.
You bet me edge so edia refuse.
Yes.
Let's just say any automatic say be refuse because of the car.
Absolutely. The reason why make us you bet me in the say and she share na nkasano a discretionary.
Okay.
Into 2 million home office for them.
Right.
And they apply it send your own panel. It is a home office for say sa a year cost ya when to ya kay you be use the against you then they will use that against you. But 2 million almost as to say be use na use almost. But as so bear in mind say yes they can do that. The cost at the moment a year £500. It is OBB 500 every cost since 6th of April 2016 a bit to me a cost so damage Before 2016.
No, okay. Do I not see? We'll come back to the 2016 bit. Okay, £500. So £500 for period idea. For instance, I've applied for a 2.5 year stay. Near mommy 2.5 years now. Which you have £500 now cover 2.5 years in now. No. And now say 2.5 500 now cover a certain number of months.
No. So this 500 now year can a car. So, Ode NHS na ebetimi ama ye refuse application.
Oh, okay.
It is a cano from
£500 a day come. Less the between bu money aguso.
Well, again, to send a cano, the application of the punishment na nkasa a discretionary.
Okay.
Into your home office for them. Into yes, indeed. So 500 the crown say a wo na omukase okay ye bu eni aguso. Yes, ombetimi ayesa wa bra. Yeah, my pretty uncle say, okay, I didn't know my woman near Gusutine, my punishment, there be. Into no, so 2 million woman. But anything from 500 upwards, as so who say, oh, this are cano, never wha, a bit me, a corso, the refusal of your application. It may be the case, say, a beer no unim, say, okay. Call hospital. No,
you will come out.
Kabi, Sama,
you can be on the buy now.
Exactly. Okay. It's no, yes. Ubetimi ama explanation say bia na saka we win. But once it comes to your attention, then the expectation is say ubetua says sika no. Ebi o na bia untimi ntua ne bom. For instance, obi a waba kroma as a visitor, wa best stay beyond the visit no. Ama nyisan akoba, wa wo, wa ko hospital, ye de bail abreno. at the other time we checked, now Obi Boy on the platform, about 9,000 or so pounds thereabout. That's a lot of money for Obia or yesabe visitor only Bibia or de Koye Juma na wenya Bibi obedi. Saa sika no okofane wahi ene odi atua woka. Onya saa sika no fama. However, sabe once na oni muhwe kura no yesi oni nsem. Enti say odi obi kasoso a na untimi ntua ni nyina at least you make the effort.
So we try to crack.
Ubetimi ni the trust no ameki arrangement. Say okay, ebia e car mo dia bre me. Yes. Mindina ese me de saa aka no. Nemom at the moment me situation ni me obi a mawo foforo. Me wo yisi so no sebe me situation e wo krom hanti no me nya adwuma. Nti ade we a mo dia bre me enya ade a metimi etua no bum ni nyina ene ochina. Nemom ebia bosumi bia no metimi abom homode na kakrakra adoyefo ne abusuafo e de support me ne me bay no metimi atimu £5 £10 yes utua bi into you are making the effort it is a wo your application na yes o de sa aka no but say home office for eco make you almost checks with the NHS to see say o de car yes the response no will be say bia o de car but
what you will be
into utua ka there the only problem however say uyo bi a o ha with leave to remain already na o ko renew a yenim say ya ye wa with limited leave to remain in no the position is say o ye application na ese utua IHS e de ka ho ansa na wa ye application it is afo ni nyina de more or less no we ye out dada because utua IHS no ansa na wa ye application it is utua IHS no so there then what you are towards one kasa o banbo any we ye di it is say wo yare na o hospital a enya de a
yeah, book
kabi e dia bro unless wa o person wo call private na wo call you BBD then one na wonya usika sebe e na wo call private nti betimi aye
lawyer you say okafo didi
absolutely
nemo woni abankwan because I know the nje emupi but say yenhwe mo checheye mu obi wo ho a sebe ne ho kire no kakra obedie no otete de ode behwe ne ma betwaduane amoma die tua dan ka ne ade ebi kura nka kire ene ode ka be say 9,000 ewo NHS home office application fee ne ho enema be mutimi anana say kromo de aba say obetimi apply for fee waiver metimi ne NHS for aka say madaruma say ade nti meteha me ba be contribute to one way or the other ntinka chimu na mentrem yebeti ane sa
well unfortunately no me who say oba ye bibi sa che say obetimi akase omo emfa kanonto na che obaye adwuma what you aka yes it is something that you can negotiate but it's subject to omo as a trust no acceptance our offer so indeed just as said obetimi aka say your friend is saying £9,000 no ntimi ntua ni nyina but wetua ni installment na obi ehu saa offer no aka say okay the wo kan you know rational until you betimi age atum na wage atum no it's the same vein I believe say yes ubetimi make saa your friend is saying offer no to the trust no aka say bia at the moment say now o situation any circumstances here until you cannot afford to pay at the moment but as soon as ubetimi afford no yes ubetimi make installments towards it I don't think say a idea untimi nye na obi a oye rational thinking person so intimi can say a task no now obi be can say now what about obi a sebe oba ye oye visitor ena wabenya sebe ne ho kani bi a oye British na ne ho kani ye British nti obewo ne bay aba be ye British automatically saa nipa no so no say ye gino eye your friend saying fee na because nka wo hwe mu a ne ho kani ye British nti nipa o no enyim akwala yi oye British ama akwala yi so eye British nti senka ye nyim akwala no pe no by the time nyuma akwala no a British dada ansa na wopi because you didn't say the pa or
you say any British dada, that's right, yeah.
My knowledge is okay. It's no society there. You didn't say akwala no a British citizen and or say you from it is akwala a British citizen na or healthcare identity so tuaka because as I say akwala bia or your British citizen bia no otimi enjoy the rights it comes with their citizenship. And some of the rights now it comes with you being a British citizen is to say ubenya healthcare, ubenya education. It is me fetus na me oyefunumu na kakra benefits are esese minya no me da yefunumu na me nya me pie ba dia and care cost. But akwala no nya ono na yin care cost no eye wo na
wo dia akwala na
okay. Una care cost and the fact that akwala papa British citizen no unfortunately does not even help your case. It's unfortunate, but this is how a tier a krumha so ubia is so far line so. Okay. That's a situation now buy a British citizen. Then take steps to regularize your stay so that you can take control.
So the question that we put out, we still, and do you owe the NHS? Yes. We gave this example of a 9,000 bill. Now, in Timintia, I've made arrangements to do that. But say, the car question nibu and say, a bit to me, amma, ye refuse my application, even though probably I've made some very long-term arrangements with the NHS to pay for that. Would that affect my application in any way, shape, or form?
Well, sir, if you've agreed with the with the NHS, sir, then you're okay. Ebia na email kekempuna I'll send there and they've responded. Ebi kwa no send kwa no mo respond there because ebia obi picking it up. Ni nyina ye bibia obetimi de a demonstrate say yes umbu weni engu kanso. Who make it arrangement. Ebia obi then get it back to you. I'll give you an example. Your client bako the ex a very popular person in Ghana in the media. Oko holiday no oba. And you stop on Heathrow. So early in the morning, about 6 thereabout, and I had a phone call, said, yeah, stop on. And then they were checking the records, and I went through this and that, and then they saw, said, this NHS. And then they raised that. So, obviously, you go into a frenzy and begin to panic. This is what is happening. Me comment here and answer me comment, And then I had a phone call and I asked questions. So probing, I realized, okay, she's done all of the things yes, she's in communication with the trust, She sends emails, there's no response, emails, no response, and all of that. But she's made the effort, say, obey only say, obi and get it back. And that is why it is there. But you can imagine, say, this particular person, or an application, she paid for the IHS fees before and sign or an application. However, a can was incurred before obey or leave to remain. Now what your IHS. It is not automatically going to be wiped out because your application what your IHS fee. No, a car why incurred that and so yes, we went through all of these things and I said no, she should be okay. Remember, on you so worried. And once of the catch say yes, this is the effort we're making. Say Uchiaka, but then she hasn't had any response. And lo and behold, we had a friend saying a free sail through and or the PA or the Koya Mukan say okay, on one and Kosuna on your in this I was so sebeya obetimi ameki.
Look, I have a very interesting text message here. Or say NHS all of a sudden it's become a big thing. Obi na akodi Hong Kong concern.
Yo, senior. Obi ankodi Hong Kong concern. Ya na ye ho akọ. The explanation is, say titinu na NHS for nim baby a wote a, sebe enye titini bi. Ene so upese woye part of NHS. Ye scheme na ye de hwe omanfo na. Sebe ontina wo fie na yare ni ba wa sori na wakọ. Na yakwa akọhwe o yare ni asa aka wasi abontin se ko fie there bi. We take details of the patient. Into ye beje wudi, ye beje wo date of birth, ye beje wo address baby a wote. Na ye dey register on a system. So how did the NHS people get to know where you live? Exactly. So that's how they got to know where everybody lives. And you know, Sebi, even though ubetimi aka say, first of all, sir, it is to your friend is recoup some of the costs. On another hand, so surreptitiously, no, on my idea to her, you targeted the kind of say a hostile environment. You know, it's part of that hostility. Your friend is saying game now you play. No, say oh krumha now him say na situation here. Then someone na now usro because him say of course with the granny e koju ditisa one way ya na ya chere baby out here ma ya bechi. Say ehunu e wo ho. Na so him say any side of a crowd, any member of bag, I mean, come crew, Pano Trado, and one much. It's now off our bag, send out crew. Now, what are you crew?
Anyway, we say, so I think we're joining. I'm here with Lawyer Patrick from BWF Solicitors. I say BWF Solicitors, AA and trusted partners when it comes to legal issues, especially with immigration. Update BBB Omode and Maying, and until you watch this space and follow them. What the NHS car? Acquiring bank so and I'll be who say what they want car, everything affect your application. This is what law is helping us to understand. With your texting in 07950422780, 07950422780. Or you can call us now. I'm activating the phones now. 07399208468. 07399208468. You can send in a text or a WhatsApp or even a voice note. Yeah, ebebo ama lawyer abwa ano ede amaye. Na the dikai maming fa we text message here and by lawyer or say obisa say oware EU citizen and what's her for 2 years. And there's being a problem, so she said you should leave and remove your address from my house, but the marriage is not dissolved. Yet, can this affect your future application? Asamaba, mote, nipano ase tu free ho, you never nyina free ho. Well, application so akabi also what they call now. Kobu taught to the source of ebe affected na.
But it can be, it can do. Yes, you know, him say wahode no. If we draw a power no from Obifufra, then the idea is that power no connectivity now as I say until such time one kasa ubinya o power.
Okay.
Una o supply wa power. It is say o katisa connectivity na then it means on draw power inflow.
What do more light?
What do more? It is a do more light so they are not just obedasum. So it is important that there will be connectivity no until such time obebabaye independent. Now no na than say no asset at the problem say because so we worry EU ni amount 5 years limited leave to me na 5 years. So unless there's been an intervening event now, then you are expected to say more for. Say reason be now must say okay because of a jumanti ABR me were East London most of the time, but if you are me bushia yetim ewo ABR Buckingham Palace a honey yeti. It is a way to me actually that's fine because every adjustment you have to get closer to work. So the way to me akoso ayo adjustment effectively, efficiently. Now when you're late in adjustment, so that's acceptable. But where enye bibisa na ebia enye wu na enye divorce na ebia akasakasa bintino ba akoseko na me pesa obe ye betina bioma, then there's a problem. So montana for 3 years obetimi akase u divorce ube retain your right, then in fact baby a wo kono eya yetro kakra. However, yenim se any domestic violence said yenim no wo ye UK immigration domestic law no no. It is also in the EU settlement scheme. I can't ye withdraw agreement no. Inti se oye EU ni ebusuani na one wo kani nu na wo ho na oye bibia fa eye domestic abuse ho ubetimi make complaint na wagina no so na daache no wankasa ode ade wo ho so wanye sa then it could affect you because our really mu no indeed 3 years ubetimi akoye divorce na wankasa or retain all right nti say ye domestic abuse na ekoso make sure say ubetimi making it clear from day one na ekoso no na wetimi making records no available said e be ya ubetimi agina eno no so e dey retain all right enye sa se wo papa mu na wo kwa o see you address free me ho na che se wo ne ntibio yes wo ne ntikruma perhaps you would be able to when it gets to the 5 years no demonstrate say motikruma a tough ladder to climb back. Ebia as I say expect to be able to apply the law effectively on your behalf. But so then it's always advisable say a resident here, number one, possible because then it shows that there is subsistency in a relationship. No, you are cohabiting. It is a relationship. No, and yet so fatal. But as I say, you know, or shall see 2 anamo. Said a 2 years away, you do actually say abuse be the coswa or didn't 9 BC form. Now, our report to say, the evidence or get me and they are supporting the case when a basso or your friends application under the domestic violence your friends policy now.
We saw a day about or say obviously my update be about the delays at the Home Office applications in the Kotoma and I'm saying
yes, the delays at the Home Office I think you know we've mentioned this severally on all of the other platforms including this one. And you be behind applications no ache. The entire applications no ache no. Number one, Ukraine abeka. The first reason na your applications no a delay no COVID. Until you know say during the COVID time no na majority of the Home Office staff no na omuye adwuma ewo fie. Again, COVID affected nipa bebre. Until na omo no omo staff ni bi wo ha COVID no bi ebika omo until na omo short. Now, recruitment into Home Office nankasa no enye bibi so easy obetimi adjoin it because as it still go through a very rigorous security check and sana ya mankwan me wotimi adjoin it. And not so many people are ready to avail themselves for sa checks. Obi wo ho na eputu no off grant no person obey. So there's a problem there with staffing. Serious problem with staffing. And now, during COVID, na holiday, ya to 2 borders mu. Enti no woman nya kwan entimi anko holidays. Sisi aye border. Na munim. Obia pese ko holiday. Itubedu airport no na bebia ye ma obia pese odwane. Minim se bebia omo ko no, omo susu odwane abaha no. Enti no obia odwane afri bebia ko baby just for change of environment. It is the same thing with the Home Office for. Almost staff almost putu back almost holidays near the adeno. Nyina obi apeso okono clear in head because a jumana omaye from COVID time up to this time. Dosu. Ena omotihu no more yes. Still, there's a huge backlog. If you take, for instance, a firm like BWF Solicitors, now here a file say go on a Juma, you can imagine that if the Home Office were to be dealing with Yankeke as a firm, they wouldn't have even hand to pick things and do them. It's, it's a lot of work, and all of that work, is still sitting there. And I'm still sitting there, there's a shortage of staff. The Oma Makano so took holidays. It's a Juma go, and now they are having to go through them one by one, depending on who first made the application. Any backlog now here clear. Why the come first? So that is how omo a play no. Inti no na ama applications no bebre na no akwa che wo ho no. At the moment, almost more case by case. First time, first serve. Why would you do what? Na ya show. Why would you do what? Na ya show. And because recently I've done few applications within even 10 over 1 week, 2 weeks, maximum 4 weeks. Soon as I acquire biometrics, then you get a decision. So yes. Ebinum die ewo ho because any case work abako and a year application ho adwuma to be why ekota nanima na why quick say bibia ni mu a kire so a they just make the decision and then send it back rather than so be hold on for a long time. Yeah.
All right. 07399208468 07399208468. Well, yeah, will be ewa mansunti odarima yeah and kasa hello.
Oh, hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mami. What to say? Oh, man, it's like a craving.
But me, my have the certificate of application. And person who say, and I'm a service man, and people a jam Ghana for 12 years in it. And we were a back with 18, back also 17, about 16. Now, me and my show, my
you struggle past here, but too, Kasano, but also Ukraine ho ako Ghana for 12 years and you won't call me answer. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Auntie, the next part of the question of Asosumami. Oh, why is Zambrano? Auntie, per update. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I bet the state of application.
Oh, line cut. Okay, line. I think another person even put on the platform say your Zambrano application update.
Yeah. All right, okay. So this is what is happening with Zambrano at the moment. Now there's a new case law which has come out just a couple of days ago called Village. Just the confirmation be ABBA. And your confirmation I name that. Whatever they are saying in that case, even before Akinsanya even was decided. The Home Office, based on that, so Omobeya review week review latest by Thursday of next week. Omobeya review of Akinsanya na Omodi Bibiaba. Now at the moment, yes, we are qualified. Do it. Because we are qualified. So there's no need for you to sit back and say, because we are qualified. That's what the Akinsanya decision says. So we are qualified. It is over 2.5 years. Now we are qualified. Thank you. Indefinite leave to remain under the schema. 2.5 years, the indefinite, the innocent. Obviously indefinite. So you make the application and then to say by when your certificate of application. Now, certificate of application, what it means is you've made a valid application. It's not just an application, it's valid.
Valid.
It's not, I say, you be decided to say yes, yeah, the amount, and I say, you're farm now. It's yes, who qualify, you have to send the application. Now, what they are doing is, oh yeah, no mama, COA, and then, you said because of the review now, everybody, they've pulled the brakes at the moment. Our more train said, review, no, not review, then the decisions will start coming. Until yes, they will issue you with a COA and then say, okay, 2.5 years I be a ode year with Juma. Koswa na ye de wo ye no, yebema COA no, right to be a will be no, you still have that right, intact until such time you be make a decision. So yes, that is how they are playing it at the moment. But it doesn't mean that if you qualify and say will make an application, because qualifier, that's the simple truth. You qualify into whatever review. We are yet to see how our local reviews are adequate, because your decision from court, you've not challenged it up to date. That is a review. But with the Village case, all that they are saying is say obi foforo wa ha or asetena to say the bia ye kana na nipa no mokroma say montim bom kra na yenim say nipa no wa ha or asetena intino say o ka say eno intino say ye ka say wo free her akwara no be free her, then that is not correct. And we've known this from the inception of the policy. Intino enya dia eye bibia ye different. We're yet to see, review chronology the Omoka. But answers in 10 problem.
Okay.
I prepare answers.
You will be for front. So I was hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening.
Yeah. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
Hey, Atakwe.
Yeah.
Hey. I know this voice. Atakwe.
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah, too, catch it.
Michelle, what can lease? What baby? No problem. That's how quick I am.
Yeah, Nipanu Remu 2017, August 2017. And worry new new but new work permit na worry new residential permit worry new. Ebewu 2024. So Ebewu 2024. Ebe expire 2024.
Yeah.
But 2017 no buy and say 5 years. Our 5 years route. Say 5 years this year. Our 5 years route. And you bet me apply for indefinite this year now. And only first question. And a second question of person who say Obi ebi a onusu mu kan obi a odika. Say on the bank car na ebi a say na eduma no ntumi for you because yare bi na abemu a. E bet me affect to apply for indefinite now.
Okay, so we did 5 years. We have 5 years this year. No 5-year route. So, at the end of 2024, we apply for indefinite now. And second one, so say, or the bank car, does it affect the application in any way?
Okay, so let's take the second one first. Then we will ask probing questions because of now. So the bank car, you the bank in terms of the bank no can choose to take you to court. So because we saa kana umbetumi do akọ court na the court no be bua no na court na bua say still na wuntua kana, which means you be a subrache for umbetumi affect in the future. So e bia e buka to when a county court judgment na wabu ani ego so na saa nema, then you are looking to say e bia obey o naturalization a e betumi aka so you be a o de ka wuntua ka because e bia e betumi anam so am aka say e bia because wabaye bankrupt no ntino uni sika wan kasa bu ode hwe wo ode ka untua ka nti yen hye no so sa but enya ade a se ode bank ne ka eno per se no will affect your application outcome. So ode bank ka a civil matter between yourself and the bank no, like I said, no betimi decide so or the back court no akọji sika, but ode ka so a Mr. Otua untimi ntua ni mi ante se de ye kan NHS de at least say £1 now wait me try cry na
let them know, arrange with them.
One make arrangement say utua and only a better sincere ubeja to, and then you bury your head in the sand and no enya papa. Now with the first question,
unfortunately let me send the line article, but first question no. Okay. Was said nipa no visa no, or the card, the permit at the man be 2024, or the 5 years because 2017 to 2022 is 5 years.
Okay, it's say the Pacono, we wanted to find out Oba as EU national. It's also with the 5 years no, and also Oba as a spouse of Ubia or yes settled, and also Ubia neba British.
Another number is coming on me here. So no. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. But you hold on. Oyi Ubia no na ni na kati. Just hold on with we ever pick out the why.
So let's.
Okay.
I think we'll be forgiven to assume that the Pacono by under the domestic route, UK domestic law route, you know, and the Pacono by with the first 2.5 years, 2017, and also the Pacono by or by no benya first the first 2.5 years out the time. It after no first 2.5 years from 2017 will take you to run about 2019 and beyond. So how did this person, Obenya 5 years? That's beating my mind unless I'm not working it out properly. But Obia Waba since 2017. We don't know the exact month now of the ban, but that's important as well. You need month to call or the buy. Say 2.5 years near their manner from 2017, whatever month or the buy, let's say if it's in the middle of 2017 with 30 months, 2.5, that's about 3 years. That takes you to about 2020, more or less. It is a 2020, near somehow another card for another 2.5 years, maybe 2024. I'm struggling to find out where 5 years now, or so when you're a free buy. We would need him to explain to us
further. Okay.
For instance,
if it's possible, say unipa no ebe voice note the amount offer the amount. Wait media bring it was 07950422780 07950422780 as you find on the screen. I'm saying, okay, we have voice note back. I would want to pick that one up, but before then, there's a text. Na Kevin and I think I've got it here. Okay, now Kevin say, is the Home Office implementing court decisions by issuing an EU family permit for 5 years, the same as new application that will last for 11 months as the situation is now?
Okay, so my new application lasted for 11 months. But yes, so we family permit application. It's going back to issues to do with granting extended family members. I won't say there be na travel na untimi mba ntino ye mfama ya settle sa issue no. Am asisia no. Obia o make your application before the deadline date as an extended family member of an EU national. Na ya mfama sa time. Na wa court. Na court a rule in your favor no. As a Home Office implement that decision. Again, there's a backlog or more clear until a case by case and or more then they will decide. So what they do is they will send you an email to confirm say even though a scheme no a treble no yes still your friend is saying family permit for a period of time a year under the EU settlement scheme no would be free maybe I want at the abaha to be do her then you apply for your pre-settled status. It's a pre-settled status or apply amount 5 years. That is the standard. It is 5 years then you apply for your settled or indefinite leave to remain. So I'm not sure where 11 months leave now or kind of minimum be free. Now say valid dates now card and also now all candia. Send a rule, I think it was since last year, and then this year, so you kind of severally. So at the moment, what the Home Office is looking to do is far advanced. So by 2024, December the 31st, Omo be migrate ya your biometric card no nyina they call a digital platform so. So biometric card will be a thing of the past. Into wa over biometric card be so washa. So o card no ebewu before that date now, that is fine. But say we leave no go beyond 31st December, you don't get a card valid beyond that. You only get a card valid until 31st December 2024. And no net, leave no would be my the core system so the core digital system so the whole and it doesn't mean say o card no expire that date now we leave now expire. No. Say indefinitely the amount cry omo indefinite leave to remain card and omo hweswa omo say card na nkasa no expire 31st December 2024. It doesn't mean say we indefinite no expire. I think say you can say indefinite then that is what it is. Indefinite. It doesn't expire.
It is a date to be also on a card.
A card no
and
digital system so it will always be there.
Okay. Your voice note in sorry.
BWF Solicitors, all the legal team, Uncle Ben, Lawyer Richard,
national speech.
Me again. Yamiadum. And go for
Hallelujah.
Still, like I mentioned, because I was very, very sick. For the past year, Queen anniversary, I was very sick at the hospital. Imagine this COVID, I was very sick. But Nyamiadum.
Oh, go for it.
Me hoye, Nyamiadum, me hoye pa. And I just want to take this opportunity and say a big thank you to BWF Solicitors for job well done. The emails and the things are Richie a send come out. Yeah, Nyamiadum. I think it was 7th of this June, and 1 year. Yeah, I think I told you guys. But very, very fortunate. Omodiaba. They are rich after America, but I was saying, in Tiapokra, I'm thinking say by next week, if we do a call, who's in a day, what buy you? It's not, I don't want to go anywhere with any cough and things. Yeah, my name is buying. We end up in hospital with antibiotics and things, but Namiadum, once again, thank you very much, Uncle Ben, everybody, Richard, my girlfriend Beatrice, Naman, everybody at the BWF Solicitors. Thank you very much. I do really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Onyami Shramo, na Omamun Kosoanya Kisse. Say the Bayamo Bay Kissepa.
Okay. I think Nana him has support. Yeah, and fortunately, she's had the belief and the patience to wait. And Nyamiadum Ababidu. Lawyer, Mumunio.
Well, yeah, better than I say, because it's inspiring, clients, Baba, live, programs, so, and to share their experience. In fact, all can say, one can say, oh yeah, it did 6 months per and a buy, and I say do 2 weeks and a buy.
7 June, 1 year.
1 year. So you can appreciate the frustration, the stress, the anxiety what go through up to this time. But onim die ode ne ho ato ne ho so.
That's right.
Intino emane emu. Because onim se bebia me de me ho akotwere ne de. Che ne beche nso enka ho. Edane se bo kra na ebeba. Yes, oye nipa. Ntie bia na nka ono so ebantem ma otimi ko holiday wo Ghana ekosra abusuafo a nka obepe ne saa. But onim so se sebe saa tumi na edeba ntem no. Yes, enini nsem intitwa na sese otwen na watimi nya abotre na watwen na ne diaba. The year can't cosine a dear share your home crime any afufra 8 sebe one more any ma wo ho ne se ebeba
into train
ebeba e queue eye oyene a eba ye nyina so covid any say Ukraine abeka ye ho eno na ama we aba senye saa nka yes na nka etoda applications ni bi o ho a etimi check kakra nanso na ntimi encha say
almost a
1 year ni 2 years ni ade ya ye hu nti saa na sisi na ye hu no na ye de hye no so say yes sisi a de ye komi a temporary and so it shall pass.
Okay, over to me, Afrayang 07399208468. And now say over sende or text at the about 07950422780. Hello? Hello?
Hello. Maybe I'll talk with.
Aha, good. Because now lawyer person will be a few questions.
Yes.
Yeah. Nipanu by August 2017.
Okay. It's better.
By August 2017.
Yes, so we're not too far off.
Last year. And you already knew and a woman up to 2024.
And it's only 5 years for Chroma.
2017 says up to now, and say what 5 years.
Oh, but or the kind of 2.5 years in the buy. But or buy us then.
Or by 2017.
As what? Mpacho or buy us then.
As a worry British no. As a spouse.
All right. Into worry British ni and or buy to start with.
As a spouse.
Into ubedua ne amount 2.5 years residence card. Into amount residence card now. Say no expire, then you reapply and then you get given another 2.5 years. Into Mpacho, how many times now I apply for 2.5 years now?
We apply for the second time, but second time no man say be 2024.
So then how do you say what have for 5 years in Onkoji indefinite?
We are saying from 2017 to now, say 5 years.
Okay, but how many times now we renew the card no?
2 times.
Oh, it is our renew 2 times already. Then yes, Oba qualify for indefinite leave to remain. So we're really,
I think the challenge here.
You have to do 60 months to qualify for indefinite leave to remain. So yes, now waba. So for instance, we are spouse of a settled person who make you application from Ghana now Oba. Bedwa, about 2.5 years residence card. So our residence card, you reapply and you get given another 2.5 years. And then you get indefinite leave to remain. So, attack we say
about 2017, and your money 2.5.
Yeah.
And we renew another one. Or renew another one.
So this is the second time.
And renew another one, up to 2024.
Or renew the date by.
Or renew July 2021.
July 2021. Okay. And a man no another 2.5. So July 2021. 2 years at 24.
Yeah.
Another 30 months.
Yeah.
From 2021.
Yes.
And I could see 2024. No?
Yes.
Until 2024.
By the time I expire. And then she would apply for indefinite leave to remain. Yes.
I think you hear me say, look at it from this way. Or first renewal, second renewal, your third renewal will give you the indefinite.
Yes. So the third renewal.
But that will take you more than 5 years.
No, but the amount of money you calculate, is 5 years, but 3 renewals in the womb. Because third one and they do indefinite.
Exactly. To the second one, after the second one, your next application is
for your indefinite
leave to remain.
What do you say?
And you have to wait
to 2024 now.
Yeah. 24.
Yeah. Then the person will apply for indefinite or apply for renewal.
No.
So that will be how many years?
5 years.
5 years. At the end of the 5 years, you apply for indefinite.
2024.
At the end of the 5 years, you apply for indefinite. And you automatically have to apply for it.
Yeah, but that is what I'm saying. Sir. From 17 to now is 5 years.
No, what it is from 2021 now, the first 2.5 and a year, okay? And you apply. You apply at the man and be 2024. Until then, at 2024 August now, so apply. Then no, I apply for indefinite, and you automatically say at the Bema, just apply for it.
Yeah, I know that you have to apply, but the number of years, calculating the years, they have.
That be said, more calculating, the first 2.5 ended 2021. Yeah, that's 30 months. And another 30 months from 2021 ends in 2024. What else here? Because 2021, only 2 years, I got 2021, who I said 2023, right?
Yeah.
And that's in August. And 6 months from August 2023 goes into 2024.
I see. Okay.
1, 2, 3 was a kind of year.
Okay.
Why?
You.
Okay. Counting no the file when you kakra. Don't worry. Why?
After this one, the next application here
indefinite and renewal. Okay. Thank you very much. So hello.
Hello.
But you do TV set and now radio set no mama why?
Oh, okay.
Good.
Okay, what you can?
I feel to kapa lawyer wa.
Oh, okay, all right. Me person with a lawyer and so form community.
But you
Now, I'm saying this be no say go person busa that. I'm saying I'm working to nyama. Now say or EU family member and you know mo person or the best week ba na. So I an application I submit here now. Just upload documents not yama and go for them. So I be confused because I'm say old submit application area more direct with the Oma agency being near there. The Vinci also to me say be application about uploading no Hanma now so best canon of Ghana. And I confused or person find out no.
Okay, so 2 things. Number 1, obetimi dia call baby wa ha a scanning hub. Agents are omone home office 4 year juma. They will charge you to scan the documents. Now the documents okay. A good system no so I'm home office for. I've got a bit of a problem with them. And the problem I have is all the documents no kwa few times you who say documents are the bekono. Ebi oho na ya scan bi na ya jebi because to them no enye relevant. But wo na wo your application no unim denti a o de sa evidence no account. There have been occasions so documents nako na o must send notification say o must scan documents no to home office. Now so home office every so application no on the basis say you have fast supporting documents and background. So it's either say indeed Oman upload documents no and also upload. But why would they do that? And also say Omo upload ye and a home office for answer and almost say evidence number. I don't know because you need. But this is the problem I have. The second thing is obetimi the documents na ma akwala no ewo efie na akwala no de akọ TLS contact center again ombe charge a fee. I think it's about £28 or so thereabout. Now scan documents on the system by the time akola no ewo ho no. So they will scan all of the documents. Ewo system no so. Now mo the documents no am back. So who bisa me opinion meka say ma onfa nko TLS contact center. Eho de pani bi na ne ko. Okwa ordinary documents ko. Say 10 pages Oma scan ni nyina e de go system no so. Oma charge you fees so mo charge omo the documents about. So when it tuamu a
ye ninja
nti no fan kon sa box kontofi o si mani
ne suma ne ni
nti no yes nti minua na mpacho sa na ye be ka no
me da na me pacho me kire se ono ya application o ha e na me fa no se e bia no me fa no se nipa na o ya application ankasa na omu hia ne documents na ankasa na just photocopy na o de beko.
Okay, nti sisi a no ye application na so we submit your documents na the core. It's more or less assumed say a photocopies now there ba. Omo wi a omo discard the documents no. Nti applications are wo ye nyina the passport, the EU settlement scheme, pay slips, adjumam letters ne sa nima ne nyina. Se on pesa wo the originals ne be ka ho a. You make photocopies. Na wo the aka
I was a color photocopies ana.
Well, ideally, no, so ubetimi afford because sometimes black and white now. Any be not insured. For instance, or passport no. So we the black and white now are year na density no enye okay. Ebetimi aye darker. Any money be na say okra no wanim no yentimi hu ni ye. Sabe mo amunim say yen baby aye free nti no your skin do different. Enti no ebi o ha no mo hu ni. Nti yes, for instance, eno no sa no ubetimi aye no calendar ebetimi a show kama. But the other documents na account pay slaves, money transfer, ne sa nima ni nyina.
Ubetimi in
the black and white. Corner say baby ma they just shred it. Yes so they go TLS contact center where omo yes scan the wi of the documents ni nyina no their coffee back. But you don't need say odo passport na nkasa be kofi and also odo biometric card na be kofi. No, you don't need that. The only here copies.
Whatever come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And the no answer was send their come on email na say omo do mo dey here kan hono mo dey ko no ano.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's say. Your question be our platform also. I mean, I think it's from, is it Mabel? Okay, Elaine also good evening, gentlemen. Hope you're all doing great. Please, somebody wants to use a 20-year rule. What is the best time to start the application process?
Okay, so the 20-year rule, your friend is saying, unlawful residence, no. BB are very, very strict. It's say BB na wa brabo mu poten nti o ka say on compassionate grounds even though undo 20 no yenhu mobone yemfa mawa I would say wait until at the time na with 20 no aso nti say nei na aso a o de opakra ma another day and I to be emetoso no one will say with 20 years no aso a mfonso bia ni ho eno no de wo your application o de say yes with 20 years na so obi o ho a na beginning of the 20 years no ntimi. So for instance obi a oba ya within the passport akọ stamp na esimu no eni ho ayira nti no esese we make sure o timu say ubetimi a demonstrate sa 20 years no say passport na originally odi two kwan no e de buy no any visa na e bom no say e wo ho a then that's a very, very good starting point. Ubetimi they are demonstrating the starting of your 20 years now. Into Uba and Waji visa or Accra and the buy ubedu a year through Gatwick and answer stamps that ya stampum so ubedu her on the 11th of June. Into a woman say 11th of June and I ubedu chroma. Since then, unto 9 in free chroma. To say file passport now here vignette no any stamp na a chese wabi rock room na. A bit dancer say yes, sad date we and out the buy. So counting from that date, you know, ubetimi actually say your friends in 20 years from that date, you know, na uwo krom ha unko baby. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, well, Mabel, so at the back, but our line, so just hold on that way so inferior. What if it's delayed at the Home Office? That's why the card is like that. He may be right to apply after 5 years from the date of issue of the first card.
Well, so we application, the Home Office need delay. Now, we totten up. I think so. We've said it on this platform. So you can tot it up and then so we meet the requirements now. We meet application for indefinite leave to remain. Attack with the na ye di hun komo. I don't think so. It came up like that. So you share in common dino any time frame now. Okay, not just say just your friends will be at that time now. What make your application will renew. Now, another 2.5 years a bewu the duration of your friends and the card nankasa. So yes, what Mabel just mentioned, though, yes, that is doable. But in Atakwe's specific case, no, it was not the case, and that is why I didn't even mention that.
Okay, all right. 07399208468. Hello.
Hello.
Sorry, say more. You know what?
Oh, yeah.
But you too.
Similar situation.
Okay.
Give me 2019,
November 2019.
With spouse visa.
Okay. Any amount saying?
2.5.
2.5. Okay.
I don't know who we are.
But now because time woman and Senator Akwedi no you a year calculation 30 months from 2019.
2019.
Who renew no date by?
I say a bad you more I'm very sure.
You're very sure. Okay.
2019. 2019 or near lockdown.
Okay.
And we renew a quota for 4 months. And after 4 months, I buy. By Lanka, the bear expired this year. A bear expired. I called 2023. But November, back this year, no matter 5 years. Oh, Kruma. And this time, I mean to me indefinite now because November, the only 5 years. Oh, Kruma.
But who renew, card no so date ben also. What mouse 2.5 no from that time no the man never soon that bay.
About 2023, somewhere May, June. Until we start 4 months, extra 4 months. I got down. I'm going to torso. I'm a corner.
Okay.
And to my question, I said, I was set me deep 5 years per and I was set me apply for indefinite. And I said, I was set card and also date and I will follow.
Okay.
Because November, no, I have 5 years.
Okay. So, Oba, what Oba for 60 months, which is 5 years. It is a fee say where this 60 months no even though our card no because of delays into a chance and a Home Office for a make his decision no amanaba. Then yes, you can make your application. It's up to you to make submission. You say yes, the period now a coca or almost seven and until ama or
extended 4
beyond
months
of that. You have to make submission to get your indefinite to remain. So we calculate with 5 years now. You say yes, or 5 years na aso. However, on your card, the expiry date now, it has not taken care of delay now a buyer. Then you can make that your friend saying argument with them and then get your indefinite. Yes, So for instance, Obia or apply for 2.5 years as a parent, relying on the child. A call I could do 1 year. So 1 year no ebeba no. Yeah, now your friend is saying 1.5 years, but obviously ebeba 2.5 years. However, you can tot up from o first leave na ye de ma wo no obeto na app say nya 5 years route na wo so na mo be bia o 10-year parent route no so you can tot up and check say from the time na ye de ma no up to delays aba no nyina up to this stage no when you 10 years na so when you 10 years then you can apply for indefinite leave to remain as will be a lawful residence for 10 years into no better nyina up now okabom na who say do 10 years now yes obetimi make you application.
It is November, me check na manya 5 na. When you say November, they manya 5. Okay. Yeah, me da say na ba cut last one. Oh, sorry. Me no Manchester. And your family home and Casade London. Until weekend be on the cycle. Now, me know Obani in a hang down Manchester because of Ajima. Until a holiday and sit down for the beyond for. Now, this is bills on call and council tax. But London holiday or no Jima the PR power and I abandon man in a foul until be a foul. Until said me, yeah, we not maybe no Manchester, and Dana, Rajo Hon, maybe London, the unquiet, and answer. I was say you open up the children to the sidewalk, you are.
It's a fan, a mood day in a main home. London, the Anam.
Main home, they are London.
Okay.
And the weekend, they are the cycle.
Okay. It's yes, London, the main home, a horn out, but be a war Manchester for Juma purposes. But yes, still, what you are, Danka, what you are, your friend say. Council tax. Yes, you have the records there say also. But also only wife in unity. So the important thing is that you can show say number one, the relationship is still subsisting. Number two, there is cohabitation. It is since your mao first 2.5 years no. Bepim no relationship no that's all. Only wife and that's no. Into London address, Manchester address, baby a mubiano, mumi nuna munina mosa ewo which is fine. Yeah.
Okay. All right, boss. Yeah, that's it. Yami in show. And with that, I think I will, because it's a time, you know. Journey may be brief, but it's been all good because in common, I had the name say, Yama. Senia Ibu Beno, you say, Agroni Yadena, Adiasa, or Momukrumuka, and Kem Crasifo. Your Krumukai and Ewa. And see, at this point, I'm going to go to our quiz segment and see, say, Adisia Yusia, Yadi Juma. But before then, Mamimfa, Sa Adewi, and Sai Ambra Bill, you must prove you can read, write, speak, and understand English at least to level B1 on the Common European Framework Reference for Languages, that is CEFR scale. You can prove your knowledge of English by 1, passing a secure English language test, SCLT, from an approved provider. Have a GCSE A-level Scottish National Qualification level 4 or 5, Scottish Higher or Advanced Higher in English gained through study at a UK school that you began when you were under 18 years. And then again, you also have had a degree level academic qualification that was taught in English. If you studied abroad, you would need to apply through ECTIS, formerly UK NARIC, to get them to confirm that your qualification is equivalent to a UK bachelor's degree, a master's degree, or a PhD. Inti, you say, brofuno, senia esi etieno, I will say utimi chimo se utimi eka. Inti, me pesa me de amounts and se opese utimi etro brofuno na fe you prepare when ultimi control na kama na pass say skilled worker route ya by any other visa route, healthcare, care worker route, and student visa applications, any other immigration area say control brofo, IELTS, CELT, OET. Between a pass A1, A2, B1 or B2. Any KT education consultancy for any and comma or more telephone numbers no and a screen no and so NT shadows mami was say 07596 620154, 07596 620154, and now 07512 644 041, 07512 644 or send an email to them, kt.edconsult@gmail.com, kt.edconsult@gmail.com. Send na fi fako na fi woni ho juma emfa emma. Well, abusia moma yenkɔ ne yenkɔfa yenkwiz no emfa emra. Na me ba bibisa a very interesting question. Akosia wants to come to the UK as a carer with sponsorship. She has secured employment with Angel Health Care Limited. Which of the following? And I was say omiti as a requirement, and sana watimi abeye ejumano with Angel Healthcare Limited. No particular skill required except English language at B1 in speaking, listening, writing, and reading. And I was say unya NVQ in care and nursing and English language at B1 in speaking and listening. Shannon Sonomi. There are two different things here. No particular skill required except English language at B1 in speaking, listening, writing, and reading. And I say also NVQ in care and nursing. Then again, English language at B1 in speaking and listening. Okay, enti answer na the lawyer bebemuno mame mo answers na fi yenhwe ubetimi ade abrami ewo 07399 and your call 07950422780 07950422780 and I say odebato yen comment section numu whether you are with us on Facebook and also say you are with us on YouTube, or even if you are with us on our website, that's www.bwcommunications.co.uk. Or you can send it to us as a text, 07950422780. And that will be a BWF more double as a recruitment agency and Pacho Debi. BWF Solicitors any recruitment agency but say when your employment contract we visa some any ho the far immigration ho na pomodin say would be my BWF na why normal but omo majuma bacho shano so sama okay Alex will say ade aba or say answer no a okay yanko the next one ho shafts nana boachi or say a b. Okay, Alex say A, Shaft to say A, B. Let me go to the next one, which is Councillor James Coleman, say A, B. B, no, actually, I was say, let me go to pick up the B. B say NVQ in care and nursing and English language at B1 in speaking and listening. Okay, you hear any other answer that's come through? Counselor, okay, after counselor, there no young call Irajua say A B. Lydia Mensa say A. Okay. Rebecca Amoako also answer A then. Rebecca say number B. Okay. Nana Hima Sapon, SCAA. Next one. Next Nana Hima Sapon. This one Nana Obrimpo, Oberima Obrimpo answer, sin answer no A, B. Arthur Nelson, SCAB. Okay. Then the next one here, let me go to Mabel Jesse Brimpon SCAA. Okay, a brand new mami enko lawyer na fi me say lawyer enko ne say I'm for the aba say menya a lot of A's, a few B's. But over to you, Jolati.
Okay, Oreku. I think sir on the platform again. Any yeah other ones no said a tifo nyina nim no bibi fufuro bia ba na ye no mache enti ye beka ya encheye na nyame ya adom ma home office for ede eye carers ebeka shortage occupation list no enti na afie de akoye se enye wo ma omo ye nurse for ne midwives for na eba as skilled workers but we a carer so yes ubetimi na so wa apply as a skilled worker here ni so obenya obi a owo sponsor licenses a obetimi a sponsor ama wa free amano no ediaba nti omo de be share mu so no enye bebre bia na omo hwehwe because se be care adwuma na nkasa no I say e bibia ese oma wani da ho enye bibia wo ko school dindin bia kosua ade bia sebe kire su bebre de hia so betimi ehun se ebo 4 o'clock a mema medication ebo 3 o'clock a mema food ene eniema esese wo ya nipa no ebema ne ho atimi atono nti se bia empakra na odaso a ewo kwan enfa so a esese utimi etene no ni nyina ye skill a ubetimi esua on the job nti na nye bibi qualification bi ti say degree e na omo hwehwe anase bibi a wasua no aye dada na emum ye hia se ubetimi a demonstrate bibi kakra bi se otebrofo nti saa brofo no ne level a na ye hwehwe nyina ye level B1 no nti bi a otebrofo utimi ka brofo ye kan ote ase a wankasa ubetimi express ho enye bibi e broso nti see yet here ye can say what is your name what is your name is you know it's not
and the ninya okay come na okro
it's what kan brofo kama nti no utimi kan brofo kama obi a owie secondary school junior high school any degree for munyina mu betimi aye level B1 speaking listening writing course no now yeah de uhia no se obeye no se unya no a na afi edu se ubenya obi a oye sponsor a obetimi a sponsor no amount their friend certificate of sponsorship eno na wo de beye application intino obi a oba as carer no ohia any qualification bia ohia degree ohia diploma ohia nursing certificate ohia bibia the ohia English level B1 so obe pass eno no so o pass sa English level B1 na eno ni ade a ohia ebema no kwan se obetimi aba so long as obenya obi a oye sponsor no a sponsor no that's how nipa kro no obehia na otimi de aba yeah
omo eka B no emse jama amfa
B4 no yes amfa but meaning the entire more can be no because you can't be no mahu B1 so ho mahu NVQ ne sa ne mani nyina ho nti bi ho na the ubehu no first na achewa
but lawyer say me wo NVQ level 1 or NVQ any of the NVQs na me apply for care worker route na say me dey aka ho but the omo say the basic qualification A B1
so we achieve sa qualification so we achieve there then that's fine say o bibi fufuro bi now dey aka ho a
boost where you keke
nti by the time ube free Ghana ube be do ha no say bia no mo free say B1 no nko na wo me wa na wo nursing degree bi e wo ho nti udi be do ha why you okay adwuma ye bi a 6 months sa nipa we kura ne skills no above
me a promote
nti ube wo na say be ye senior care manager and I say be ye you know that's what it is nti ene omo degree in nursing omo ye midwives ene omo ye big professionals in na who say ebia aha no ye the easier route
to enter
nti say ube take sa route no now the beba be room na actually when him flag I've got a degree in nursing. Hello. So that's it. It's Uber. Then the other qualification is now SSL. Now you timid nursing certificate need to. Why no? By the time you realize no, Ebiana we free care no honor. maybe afi only NHS for na ye adwuma o ye nursing assistant o ye ward assistant o ye senior nurse officer anything o ye midwife you know it's ni nyina no eboa but this is the basic
what's all
this is ultimate achieve we achieve we no then you okay nti mu nyina mo family enchire ho because a very good scheme and a fear or more generous a very very low you don't have to pay IHS it's a very good idea about the obehia so obenya sponsor no na wetimi aye obi one no we obi one new year then you are very good to go ntina ye hye no so na sane ye ka no obetimi de ho kani ni o ma aka ho e de aba tini nyina eboa
Nti senia who was screen no so no ubetimi NKT at consult for edinkomo na uma boa ama watro brofo no sebeya aja easy route no unsu remu a enchokew
brofo na ya na nkofo ensu ho na minim genti aguso mi no obi di me kasa o say yes nya ebebo na brofo na ye kwotro
and then
na higher wow but you know well, so bad there, then go and do it.
Okay.
It's not.
Yeah, abusia say the daye ebekwa akoso and say wabo pitri na ya sorry. Toto yenum sanso ne ya fa adwen. Yetete abetie nso na ne chemu anu no kwasi die ni kwadwodie ni ne ya che na asa ne ya hwe nkwanguso na enyina ye di ne yekoye baabi. Na ye di enkomo no besie. Momame na afi didi kan me fa seda emma lawyer Patrick say ene oba ebewo ye na afi ode nimdie ani suhunu abeboa yen ama yate ensem ase wo hwe calculation ne ade ye abotra onya ye echechire ensem no mo ani ade la Patrick abone ho modern pa la Patrick yeda CP nyame ensure sanso so ena seda enkoma yaboafo ene wonwa wo hwe yen enyina mamuti yen ewo BW radio so nyame aduma kira enwumre UK time 7 p.m. there will be a repeat of this program in case I may say the live one just tune into www.bwcommunications.co.uk now with me at your program Wayview and I'll say we'll be catching on the Modern Ghana platform also BW Radio Sanso so and yeti ye ewo BW TV so ewo YouTube and Facebook sanso so and yeti ewo BW Communications Facebook BWF Solicitors BWF Solicitors Facebook BWF Solicitors YouTube ninyina na live ewo ho la medase nyame show
Oreku Mr. Medase pa tifo nyina so yedamase yes mo base ni nyina edi nkoma na ayefe na ye nyina yesua de nti yedamase se mo so mo beboa ma bibia course kama we hope say same time next week mo beba beboa God bless you
and God bless you too ena edemo ebesi nyame adoma same time next week we'll be back with another splendid and solid edition of the community and the law. So keep sharing, keep telling people, say community and the law is back again, same time next week. Yefemi Ureku Usu Frimpon, Mimamo, Mo Eneyo.
Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say,